Hello and welcome back to another episode on Quick Guides. In this video, I will show you how you can get logged into your HBO Max account. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. And before we start the video, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, open up any web browser on your PC. And there on the URL bar, search for HBO Max login and press enter on your keyboard. And from the search results, select the very first link. And there you will be end up in the official web page. Now, in order to get logged into your HBO Max account, tap on the sign in button at the top right corner of your screen. Then you will be taken to its login page. Now here you have to type in your email address followed by the password. Now type in your email address and password correctly. Now you can tap on this eye icon to reveal and confirm the password before moving on. And if in case you have forgotten your password, tap on forget password link and follow all the on-screen prompts till the end to recover your password. And once you're done with typing in your credentials correctly, tap on sign in button. And once you tap on sign in button, you will be landed to HBO Max dashboard from where you can browse the TV shows that are available in HBO Max. Now that was the quick and easy video on how you can get logged into your HBO Max account. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Keep watching.